Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the summer FabFitFun box. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the bell right down below so you can be notified of all my future uploads. So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. It's $49.99 a quarter. They have various different payment options. You can do every quarter you pay, or you can pay all of it in one set for a year. And that's what I do, is I do the year subscription, and then you get the most amount of customization possible. So they have, for just, if you do each quarter, you get a few items you can customize. If you do a year, you get all the items they let you customize. You can customize. So we'll get started opening up this huge box. So it comes in a box like this if you do add-ons. So add-ons are just additional products you can get for way cheaper than retail. So some quarters I do add-ons, some I don't. It just depends on what they have in their add-on section. So open this box up. Oh, it is a huge box. There's a lot of packing stuff in it. Okay. So here is one of my add-ons. It's their custom water bottle. Looks like this. It's very cute. So that will be nice. It's got a lid like this. Wide mouth opening. You can put ice and stuff in it. It's very cute. So that is the water bottle. I got it as an add-on. And you can also do, when you do your customization, they also let you, if you like more than one of the items that you can customize, you can add it for additional price as well. So next up is the Marianella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Oil with coconut oil in it. It's really, I got this as an add-on to use for tanning, which hopefully it works out good. It says it's this undiluted, luxurious, restorative, and anti-aging formula will moisturize, soothe, and replenish your skin the way nature intended. So nice little oil. And then next up, this was an additional customization that I liked 2 items in the customization for a certain category, so I got an additional. And so these are silicone wine glasses. And they're pink. I love pink. So they just look like this. Open this up. It's just nice little silicone wine glasses. So this will be nice to use in the summer. So that's all of the add-ons and additional customizations that I did. So next up we will go into the actual box for the summer. So here is the FabFitFun box for summer. This is actually my 4th box, so been with FabFitFun pretty much a year. So they do 4 boxes a year, and then they do editor's box, which is essentially just a bunch of add-ons in a box. So inside the box, it looks like this. They always come with a magazine. So this one has Eva Gloria as the cover model. And there's actually a HelloFresh gift card in here, so that's nice. And a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Card that I can share. And then it has just a tissue paper. So we'll get into that. Okay. Ooh, let's see these first. So these are hair ties. These are so nice. I use them, as you can see. So when I wear them, they go to this size, but they start out as this size, and they're really nice because you just put them in a cup of hot water and they shrink back to this size. But these are really nice, and now I have one that's more my hair color too. Jennifer Zunier Jewelry is the next item. Oh, these were Invisibobble brand. So, see. This is one of the customizations I could do. It's this cute little necklace that has 2 little stars on it. So, that'll be nice for summer to wear. Next up is Wish exfoliating foot mask. Ooh, that would be nice. I need to give myself a pedicure, so I will definitely use this. Kind of smell it. Has a little protectant on it. Okay, Grace and Stella Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. That sounds interesting. Try that out. It's all sealed, so I'll open it and show you what it looks like on the inside. Oh, goodness, so much packaging. This is what it looks like. Nice little spray. Let's see. Ooh, that actually smells good. So, it's just a facial hydrating spray. So, I wouldn't use this as a setting spray. Just like maybe midday, you might want to freshen it. Just spray that on. Next up is Kula Makeup Setting Spray, and it has SPF 30. So, this is perfect for this summer. So this was another customization, I think. You could choose this. If I can get it out. So it has a little ball, little tiny metal ball. So I'm guessing you shake it up and that just tells you that it's good. So let's see if this smells good. Ooh, that does smell really good. So I will definitely be using this a lot. Even if I don't use it as a setting spray, I might just use it to put SPF on my face. Next up is Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. It stops frizz and lightly conditions. So this was also another customization. So you use this on damp hair from roots to ends, and you comb through, and then you just style as normal. So it's just another product you can put in. I always put in leave-in conditioner in my hair when it's damp, so I'll try that sometimes. Next up is Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, I love face masks. So this will be a nice one to try out. Next up is a towel. So this was a customization option as well. So it's Vicks Polyharmony brand. So it's this really cute towel. Looks kind of like a flower to me. You can see it's got like these little petal looking things. So it's really big. This will be nice to take to the pool. And I got the bluish one. I think there was one that was like a light white and blue. I like the blue color. It's really pretty. Let's see, I think there's one more item in this box. Yes, so this was also a customization. So this is the Summer in Rose tote bag. It's a beach tote bag. So it's got these nice, a little nice snap in it. It's got nice handles, a little pocket, which is nice. This will be another nice bag to take to the pool with me. So that is all of the products in the Summer FabFitFun box. If you would like to check them out, make sure you check them out. I will leave a link down below in the description box. Also, make sure that you check out my Instagram. It's m.hartman5. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!